So now, suppose Max Mule wants to vote in elections, but he is not sure if he is eligible to vote. So what we will do now is we will pass the age of Max in query params, and we will check if Max is eligible to vote or not. So here I have already changed the label of our transform message to check if Max is eligible to vote. Okay, so now we will go and write some code over here. So if statement, we are checking attributes dot query params dot age is greater than equal to 18. So what we will do, we will pass eligible to vote as yes, and if it is not, then we will pass eligible to vote as no. Just give me time to indent. Okay, so we will save it, and we already have it running. We'll go into ARC and we will check. So localhost 8081 age equal to, suppose we are putting 18. So now we'll hit the send button, we'll check what happens. So what are we getting here is eligible to vote is yes. Now I'll reduce the age to 15. We'll say send. Eligible to vote is no. So this is how we have taken a look at how if else works in DataWeave. Thank you.